As always, we begin with the horizon line, and then we place a vanishing point along that horizon line. Now in this example, we are going to start with the box that is below the horizon. And so we begin by drawing a square. That's the flat side of the box that is facing us. Once we've drawn that front of the box, we now need to take each of the corners and connect them back to the vanishing point. So let's start with this lower right, upper right, and then upper left. Now we don't have to connect the lower left back to the vanishing point because that's a part of the box that we cannot see. To finish this, we need to show the back right corner. Right now we have a rectangle that is infinitely long that goes on until we can't see it anymore. And so we're going to draw a vertical line between these two converging lines to show where that back corner will be. And now along the top we draw a horizontal line. A horizontal line will be parallel to the horizon, and that shows the top back edge. I'm going to use my eraser tool to now come in and get rid of the excess converging lines, and we can see what that looks like. And that's our box that is below the horizon. Similarly, if we come back to our marker tool, we are going to create another box, this time above the horizon. So in the same way, we'll start by drawing a square. It's the flat side of the box that is facing us. In 1-point perspective, vertical equals height, horizontal equals width. Our depth is defined by converging lines that go back to the vanishing point. Let's start with our lower left. Now you'll see that our converging lines are going down to the vanishing point rather than up to the vanishing point. And that's because our box is above the horizon line. Just like on the bottom, we need to, or on the first box, we need to create a vertical, and then we need to create a horizontal to show the back edges of the box. Let's switch over to our eraser and clean this up. And now we have one box floating above the horizon line and one box below the horizon line.